Okay, everyone, this is Millie, Mildred, also known as Millie Mill, from Sweet Sugar Plum Home. I told y'all we're going to start y'all off with a video for 4th of July. This is me and Nene. We're quarantined together, and I believe her boyfriend is here, but he doesn't want to be on the family. So, what we're going to do, we got chicken here, we got ribs here, and we'll show y'all the rest on the 4th of July day. We're going to spread out a table. As y'all can see, I'll spread out a table for y'all. And look at this. Isn't it delicious, y'all? It looks so good. The ribs and everything. So we're going to take the chicken off now. But signing out, I'll be back, okay, y'all? It will continue tomorrow. This is July the 3rd. Tomorrow is July the 4th. I already started cooking my meat and stuff like that because, like I said, we're quarantined. So we're not going to have, like, all these people come over say we can have, even though my house would be, like, will be 100 and something people here. But we're going to shut it down, just me and the Nene and her boyfriend. So here we go. The grill is cooking the meat today. I'm going to make some of my salad tonight and maybe something else. I don't know what else is going to go with that. Maybe some shish kebab. I don't know. Maybe we'll put that quickly on the grill tomorrow and show y'all the rest of the Sweet Sugar Plum Home comfort food, okay? So make sure y'all are comfortable also with eating your food in your Sweet Sugar Plum Home. Signing out from Mildred from Sweet Sugar Plum Home.
Okay, this is happy 4th of July. Today is 4th of July. A little barbecue ribs on the grill. Short back, baby back ribs. As you can see, it looks delicious. It's grilling and it's done. It just added a barbecue sauce. Yes, this is my 4th of July cookout. Peace out. Happy 4th of July, everyone.
Hello.
Hello, everyone. This is Monet and Millie Mill Sweet Sugar Plum. We're doing our barbecue for 4th of July. We got our shrimp skewers here with some vegetables and some fruits on here with some shrimps and some scallops, and we got our fruit skewers. And this is our 4th of July cookout, everyone.
So it's a continuation?
This is a continuation from yesterday. We did a little clip yesterday with our barbecue ribs, barbecuing on the grill, and our roasted chicken. And this is the continuation. This is the skewers now, and we just enjoying and relaxing on our 4th of July. So peace out to everyone, and I hope everyone have a good 4th of July.
Thank you.
From Sweet
Thank
Sugar
you,
Plum Home,
Monet.
and Monet. Have a good one. Take
care. Excuse me, y'all. Hello, everyone. This is Mildred, also known as Millie from Sweet Sugar Plum Home. Decor ideas. Okay, the grill is still hot, but right now we got the whole display. As y'all want to see, I'm letting Nene show y'all that I want y'all to have comfort food also, as well as Sweet Sugar Plum Home decor ideas. Okay, so we want y'all to eat and eat well while you matter of fact, when y'all do a lot of y'all decor ideas, I want y'all to stop and make a Sweet Sugar Plum pie. Okay, and you know how to do that. You can either buy the prepared crust or make your own crust, but get some black plums or red plums, cut it up in slices, put lemon, starch, mix it up in there with sugar. But sometimes you can find some plums that are not as sweet as peaches. But anyway, I'm gonna make Nene a Sweet Sugar Plum pie. But here you go. Here's the spread, y'all. As y'all can see, and I want y'all to have comfort. We got the spiral salad here with the cheese and the tomatoes. We got the bean and rice here. We got the shish kebab with shrimps and scallops. We have the ribs, and we have baked Cornish hen. Well, actually, it was grilled Cornish hen right here. I hope y'all can see it. Okay, so this is Millie Mill signing out and making sure now you just don't eat this just for 4th of July. I want y'all to eat this kind of comfort food every day, because total comfort is having something where in your tummy too. Okay, but mostly what I deal with is the part of decor ideas, like wall, floral, anything that can make you feel comfortable in your home. But this is one thing that makes you feel comfortable in your home, having comfort food. Okay, I'm gonna fix y'all a plate to show you how I want y'all to be in your home. This is every day, even though this is the 4th of July. And I wish you all a happy 4th of July. We're just quarantined. We don't have a lot of people over. It's just the people that I'm quarantined with, which is me and Nene, and that's it, because you know it's really getting bad. There's a lot of red alert all over the state. So we decided to stay low until this government or these people decide to get us a vaccination shot so that we can be protected. So anyway, so I'm going to give y'all some spiral salad. And it's simple to make, you know. You can do the vinegar, you got the cheese in there, and you got your little half of tomatoes. Let me give y'all a whole lot. You know I'm not cheap, y'all. But I'm just doing that as a display, but y'all gonna get a whole lot. And this is the bean and rice. This is kidney bean, red bean, and rice, okay? And here y'all got the shish kebab. You got the fruit one, so whichever one y'all want, you can have the shrimp and the scallop with fruit kebab. Now, let's just put y'all with that, everything on that. Then you have a ribs, pieces of ribs. Woo! Something fell, y'all. Something fell on the ground, so we're gonna disinfect that. We have the ribs, okay, falling off the bone. I cooked that on that grill, okay. The same grill you see here, I made it on this one, the charcoal grill. Okay, so you got that, and then I'm gonna give y'all a piece of chicken too, okay, just to show y'all that I mean well, and I want y'all to eat right. So there go y'all plate. Well, guess what, y'all? We didn't bring everything out, but we're gonna take what we have to try to give y'all a piece of chicken, grilled chicken. And this grilled chicken, believe it or not, has a special sauce on it. It's been done with molasses, Worcestershire sauce, I can't speak, with some lemon, a little bit of mustard, and honey, okay? So here you go. Oh, he's fighting with me, y'all. We don't want him to fight. Come on, give them their piece. And here you got it. You got your comfort food for your 4th of July and comfort food for every day of your life, along with your Sweet Sugar Plum Home decor ideas, okay? So eat and make sure you got some food in your belly, as well as doing decor ideas that make you comfortable and cozy in your home and outside of your home, okay? So here's your plate, and oh, I got 2 plates here, y'all. Here's everybody's plate. So I made this plate especially for my YouTube viewers and people that's going to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to Sweet Sugar Plum Home Decor Ideas. If you like my ideas, or if you have your own, just put it in the comment box and whatever you want. And select notification, so I'll let y'all know when I'm coming on, okay? So I got some more ideas, because we got a whole big, well, not really a big house, but we got a house to do some decor ideas until we make it completely Sweet Sugar Plum Home. Right now, Nene has a Sweet Sugar Plum Home, so we're gonna make her the Sweet Sugar Plum Pie, because she's getting there. I don't know if you have seen some of the decor ideas that we have done since she moved in here a year ago, but it's coming alive, it's coming to life. So along with you guys, make your home a Sweet Sugar Plum Home and have comfort food to make your life comfortable, along with Sweet Sugar Plum Home decor ideas. Love you. Happy 4th of July, and I hope all of y'all had or having a good 4th of July. Millie Milk is signing out from Sweet Sugar Plum Home.
Well, we were supposed to put our music on.